What would you do? When you closed your eyes, then your thoughts suddenly pictured a waterfalls and your gut says, I second the motion. And your feet get excited of the thought being grounded with Mother Earth's kisses. The fire spirit within calls you to go somewhere you didn't even know where, or even possible to get in at the moment. Will you go forth? Okay, so you've researched but you couldn't find any number to contact for any clarification or confirmation of the place. Will you follow the spirit's whisper? When you have someone dearly and you know won't let you go alone but is full of doubt and never been in the same kind of adventure, you're so good to go. Will you tag that person along? When you're being called or instructed by the universe to just jump and you know you do not know, who are you not to trust?
Just when the destination is within your reach, someone convinced you it's not possible to get there anymore. Will you still believe your inner vision that you have arrived? In the middle of uncertainty, do you still have the courage to move forward? Can you surrender to the guidance of your intuitive wisdom in your unknowingness?
Pahinga po kami kasi sabi ni Kuya Guard, ano na daw, private property na daw yung Matang Tubig yung dapat napupuntahan namin. Pero may mga bikers dito, so na-curious ako kung saan kami pwedeng ibang pumunta. Kasi sayang, nandito na rin naman kami. Doon daw sa bahay ni Marcos, saka baka may resort doon na pwedeng mapaliguan. Kasi ligong-ligo na talaga ako eh. So, tignan na lang natin kung saan kami dadalahin. Kaya lang, kapatid ko naka-motorbike, mauubusan na siya ng battery. So, kailangan namin maghanap ng mapapakisuyuan ng charge dyan. Ay, malapit na daw po kami sa bahay ni Marcos. Kaya lang puro paakyat na to. Kaya, pinubuhat ko na po yung bike ko. Kasi naman persahin ko yung sarili ko. Okay. Ano tol? Kaya mo pa? Kaya mo pa talaga. Ako hindi ko na kaya eh. Awa. Mukhang overlooking dun tol oh.
Balak ka namin ligo eh. Naging hiking. Binuhat pa namin yung mga sasakyan namin.
Pero try pa natin.
Parang taas-taas. Gutom na yung kapatid ko.
Na Marcos Mansion, aahon pa kayo dyan ng ano, yung rough road.
Oo.
Tapos lalampasan nyo yung resort.
Resort, may resort. Anong pangalan resort di mo?
Ano, nalimutan ko.
Sige, basta may resort.
Malaking resort yun.
Tapos?
Pagka resort nyo ganun, kakaliwa kayo. Dire-diretso lang naman yan. Pagkaliwa nyo yun, kabalangan nyo yun. Basta makikita nyo ahon, dalawa yun. Sa gitna lang kayo, hindi kayo lalampas ng kabila.
Okay.
Pagkalampas sa gitna, pagkatapos sa gitna, hanapin
sa Ate Joy.
Kainan ni Ate Joy.
Kainan ni Ate Joy.
Tago yun, pero may mga tarpaulin naman.
Doon ako magtatanong.
Tapos doon nyo iiwan yung bike nyo.
Oo nga. Thank you, ay salamat. Kaya kung mag-alala na maubusan ka dyan ng ano, kasi alam ko talaga kay Ate Joy, may kuryente sila doon. Magugulat yun. Dumating ako ngayon, ilang taon na kami hindi nagkikita nun eh. So akala ko wala na tayong pag-asang makarating sa Matang Tubig. May nakausap akong bikers kanina. Tama naman pala itong binaybay namin. May iba yung daan siguro na tinuturo ni Kuya Guard. Salamat naman. Makakarating pa rin tayo sa falls. Nahila ko tayo.
Diba?
Sobra naman yan. Bagay, oo. Maganda kasi yung ganun. Di bali ng paano ko.
Sentro ba? Yan ang mga kung sentro.
Sentro. Sentro, hindi sentro. Hindi ko kagano. Sa ganun. Wow, baba. Di ko naabot yung bike ko. Oh. Yung pedal ko hindi naabot. Pucha.
Kaya ako mag-ayos ko lang.
Nabibitawan ko na pag nandun sa baba yung bike.
Aba.
Pero ang sarap ng pumidal. Yan. Sarap ng pumidal kasi mataas na siya. Uy, ang ganda. Uy, mag-picture-picture tayo dito. Ano? Na! Nagabal! Ano? Doon, mag-model ako doon. Ay, bawal ata. Bawal pumasok.
When you want to experience life in its rawness, your unconscious mind doesn't like the unknowingness because of conditioned fears. So it's trying to grasp control by suggesting every bit of details to turn out the way it should be. But when you surrender to the highest knowing of unknowingness, the universe will bring you to places of glory beyond your expectation. The only requirement is unshakable faith throughout your journey to the promised land.
Bawal pumasok po dito eh. Kung nandito tayo ngayon sa bahay ni Marcos, bawal po kata pumasok. Bawal po bang pumasok dito? Ay, pwede. Walang entrance, meron. Doon. Diyan sa loob, wala.
Sa loob?
Ay, bawal. Ganda ng bahay, oh. Oh, kasi wala naman sa usapan namin ni Kuya kanina na puro pataas pala dito eh.
Wala, tulungan na kita, makapagpahinga ka. Kina, bitaw na.
Tapos ito pala, in-order namin, lumpiang puso ng saging to. Sinadialog ng bikers.
Okay, ready na po tayo. Papunta na tayo sa Matang Tubig Falls. Kakain na kami at nakapagpahinga. Umaambon. Pero in-expect naman na namin to. Maliligo na rin po kami sa ulan. Yan. Maambon. Kaya lang, pag di pa tayo lumakad, baka gabi na tayo. Okay. Yun lang, dalawa yung daan. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami dito pupunta. Pero sabi naman ni ate, puro pa kanan, wala daw kaliwa. So, kanan hanggang.
Pagtanong ko sa guwapya, sabi ko, bro, gandang umaga, sabi ko, saan ba dito yung papuntang Matang Baka? Matang Baka? Magkakais tayo na, sabi niya sa loob. Ay, ano yun, Matang Tubig pala.
Sige nga, natin muna to. Baka na, naririnig ko na tol. Naririnig mo? Ay, ulan pala yung naririnig ko, tol. Ay, salamat. Lapit na rin. Mamaya po ulit.
No matter how aligned you are in your destined path, there will always be sidetracks. But when your focus is in the divine prize, you won't settle for anything less. The tests will always be there for you to claim that in faith, royalty is your birthright. So what is it that you're calling into? Do you feel your spirit wants to go somewhere that only your inner wisdom knows with your eyes closed? Do you have what it takes? The humility to surrender to the divine guidance to fulfill the calling? You still have the bravery to go alone because no one believes you? Or can you still trust the divine plan if you have to go with another soul sent on your path, knowing that you're better off alone anyway? Do you have the strength to die in your own condition, knowing for you to live in faith, not by sight?
Tol, dito! Tol! Dito! Yeah. Sabi ko na nga ba,
Maybe I'm a nomad, never in one place, living off of memories, visits to outer space. It's a combination of reasons, esoteric and personal to me. When ancient spells control a situation, I leave. It's the human in me. Never had a room more than a year at a time, leaving invisible statues behind, knowing where to buy the cheapest food and the fastest wine. No desire to be called continental, till I could say I slept on every continent. Antarctica, you better know I'm coming for you. Too sweet. It's the gangster.
Alone? No wonder you can still arrive on your own. In fact, without your belief in yourself, no one can help you reach any destination. But the lesson that I've learned in this journey was that if someone can keep up with you in surrendering to unknowingness, then that companion is meant to be with you. It does help in many unnoticed ways to travel with someone. You will complement each other's weaknesses and will bring out the fun of your inner child. Going back home was another difficult journey for me and my brother. We even got lost along the way in the mountain. The dark was rapidly approaching in the midst of traffic jam. Big vehicles and some unknown, total lights off-road were indescribably notorious. But with faith, we managed to get home safe and laughing, sharing our story with our parents who managed to stay alive while waiting in distress. How about you? What will be your story? What will be your story of unknowingness?